Okay, we are going to check and see what we got for eggs. So far in the last, I don't know, 3 weeks now, we've gotten almost, well, no, we've gotten almost 4 dozen eggs. And we have another one yet today. Okay, you got that?
Yes. Can I please do the last one?
Will you share, Seth, and let her do it? Okay.
But look, see how big this egg is?
Other goings on include I am having to cut the peach trees down, at least this one and this one. They died, and this one has what they had. It's something called brown fungal rot, and the peaches just rot on the tree they look great until it comes almost time to pick them, and then they all die off. Okay, we didn't get very much wood from here, just a lot of branches and stuff, but the idea here is that we will put this stuff close to the fire so that the wood that we have that is dried out and we use to burn will also dry this out, and it'll be able to be used sooner. Hey, one other thing that I noticed that I wanted to bring to attention of everybody was I see all of this stuff here, back over here, etc., etc. The chickens have worked my ground. I did not realize that 4 chickens could do such a good job of working my ground, and I thought it had to be quite a bit more, but they've gotten quite a bit of this stuff tore up and worked up, and I will be ecstatic to be able to plant in the springtime when I only have to do a little bit.
It's also from a Dominique.
Yeah. We've been getting those double yolkers from them.
Oh, look here.